What's going on, guys? It's Big J Fix here, and we have here a bathroom faucet, single-handed, by Delta, and it's leaking. As you guys see, when you turn on the water, it leaks right there from the handle. And what we gotta do, we gotta replace the valve cartridge in there. So we gotta remove the lever. We remove this lever handle, and we have exposed the Delta valve cartridge, right? But we gotta turn off the water first. Make sure the water is turned off, both hot and cold. Okay, so we start by removing the bonnet nut. We remove that. I mean, once you get it nice and loose, you can remove it with your hands. And you just shake it and lift it up, and it comes right out. You see how the cartridge is already damaged and all from wear and tear. And we have the new one here. And if you see, the cartridge has those on the bottom. I'll show you right now. We gotta remove the stem adapter. We don't have to remove it, we can just put a new one in there. So here we install a new stem adapter into the cartridge, and you see those two anchors, make sure they go right into those holes. That's a smaller one, that's a bigger one. Make sure it matches. That's the smaller one, goes in there. You just align it and drop it in slowly, and when you move it left to right, you're gonna feel it fall right in there. Now we can put back the nut. You can hand tighten it, but then you gotta use the wrench. Give it a couple of turns. I mean, you don't want it too tight. You just want to turn it, when you feel enough resistance, just let go. Don't overdo it. I'm not even trying hard. Just when you feel when you feel like it's tight enough, that's it. Don't do it anymore. And you can put back the lever handle. There you go. Nice and snug, feels smooth. Now let's turn the water back on. There you go. Now we have the water on, just making sure. I don't like to turn them on all the way. I just leave a little playroom in there. I'll turn on the water. You can see that we have no more leaks. Usually it will leak. You will see it when you first turn it on. That leak will come right under that lever handle kit. And now it's pretty good. Hot water is good. Cold water is good. Well, that's pretty much it. And just make sure no leaks coming down. You all set.